Understanding Bloodhound breeding standards. Breeding dogs is an age-old practice that has been carried out by humans for centuries. The goal of breeding is usually to improve specific traits in a breed, such as intelligence, temperament, or physical attributes. One breed that has gained popularity over the years is the Bloodhound. Known for their incredible tracking abilities, Bloodhounds have a rich history and are a beloved breed among dog enthusiasts. In this article, we will explore the importance of understanding Bloodhound breeding standards and how they contribute to the overall health and quality of the breed. Bloodhounds, with their droopy skin, long, droopy ears, and powerful nose, have a distinct appearance that sets them apart. Their keen sense of smell is what makes them unique and sought after by professionals in law enforcement and search and rescue operations. However, maintaining these characteristics and qualities is not an easy task, which is where breeding standards come into play. Breeding standards are a set of guidelines that breeders use to ensure that the puppies they produce adhere to the desired traits and characteristics of the breed. These standards are established and maintained by breed clubs and kennel clubs to maintain the breed's integrity and prevent genetic disorders or health issues from being passed on to future generations. In the case of Bloodhounds, breeding standards focus on several factors, including temperament, conformation, health, and overall genetic diversity. It is essential for breeders to carefully select the mating pairs to avoid any potential problematic traits and promote healthy puppies. This process involves studying the pedigree and genetic history of each breeding dog to identify any hereditary issues that could potentially be passed on. Temperament is a crucial aspect of the breed, as Bloodhounds are gentle, affectionate dogs. Their calm and patient nature makes them excellent companions and family pets. Breeding standards aim to maintain this temperament by selecting dogs with suitable personality traits. This ensures that the puppies will have the right disposition and will be able to adapt well to different environments. Conformation refers to the physical appearance of the dog, and in the case of Bloodhounds, it includes characteristics like the droopy skin, long ears, and loose jowls. Breeding standards emphasize the importance of maintaining these features to ensure that the breed's distinct appearance remains intact. By selecting dogs with ideal conformation, breeders can produce puppies that resemble the breed standard and are recognizable as Bloodhounds. Health is another critical aspect of breeding standards. Bloodhounds are prone to certain health issues like hip dysplasia, bloat, and eye problems. Breeders must carefully screen potential breeding dogs for these conditions to minimize the risk of passing them on to the offspring. Regular health checks, genetic testing, and consultations with veterinarians are essential steps in ensuring that the breeding dogs are healthy and free from any hereditary ailments. Genetic diversity is vital to the long-term survival of any breed. Inbreeding or breeding from a limited gene pool can lead to an increased risk of genetic disorders or reduced overall health. Breeders must carefully evaluate the bloodlines of potential breeding dogs to ensure that there is enough diversity to maintain a healthy population. This can involve collaborating with other breeders or using artificial insemination to introduce new genetic material into the breeding program. Understanding and adhering to these breeding standards are crucial for anyone involved in Bloodhound breeding. Responsible breeders prioritize the health and well-being of the breed above all else. They invest time, effort, and resources into ensuring that each litter is produced with meticulous care and consideration. By doing so, they contribute to the preservation and improvement of the Bloodhound breed for future generations to enjoy. In conclusion, breeding standards play a vital role in maintaining the health and quality of the Bloodhound breed. These standards encompass various factors such as temperament, conformation, health, and genetic diversity. By carefully selecting mating pairs and adhering to these guidelines, breeders ensure that the puppies they produce meet the desired traits and characteristics of the breed. Responsible breeding practices are crucial for preserving the legacy of the Bloodhound breed and ensuring its longevity in the future.